So it's Friday night. I haven't been out in a minute. I'm up at Staples, and if you look back there, we don't know what's going on yet. But it might rain. There's a couple of cars just showing up here. I'm kind of early. You can see how the parking lot looks right now. There we go. Have a gilly around. We'll have a look back out here in a little while. See who shows up. See you in a bit. we got a lot of classics here tonight. They're rolling in from everywhere. Why's that cheap?
'Cause I could run a mile like this, head over heels, feels like this. The sun has got me on my track, I ain't never looking back. I ain't looking back. Ain't looking back. That's a stone voice will echo me no wrong. Ruled by the laws of she shows me makes me taut. I could climb this mountain now, rise above the clouds and see where oh the falls that kept me strong. Never did I mean no wrong, 'cause I ain't looking back. I ain't looking back.
Well, this is about where I was standing earlier when I looked around the parking lot and there was nobody here. Let's look around now. $61,000. I was like, damn, shoot high, buddy, shoot high. It's at that point, it's almost too dark to shoot video. We're gonna start wrapping this one up, pointing the camera some stuff on the way out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.